Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses the 104th episode of his Mann Ki Baat program, says Mission Chandrayaan has become a symbol of the spirit of New India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lauds Meghalaya's Brian D. Kharpran's contributions towards the exploration of caves in his Mann Ki Baat program. Union Minister of State Dr. Bharti Pravin Pawar reviews the execution of central schemes in East Jainte Hills district, hails the success of several schemes. And in badminton, H.S. Pranoy wins bronze medal at the BWF World Championships in Copenhagen. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that Mission Chandrayaan has become a symbol of the spirit of New India, which wants to win in any situation and knows how to win. He said, "Today, the country's dreams are big and its efforts are also large." Addressing the nation in his Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani today, the Prime Minister lauded the successful mission of Chandrayaan-3, saying that India has proved on the 23rd of this month that some sons of resolve rise on the moon as well. Modi praised Meghalaya resident Brian D. Kharpran for his contribution to exploring the caves in the northeastern state. Modi said, "Friends, I am happy to introduce you to Brian D. Kharpran, hailing from Meghalaya. He is passionate about speleology. Simply put, it means the scientific study of caves."
23 अगस्त को भारत ने और भारत के चंद्रयान ने ये साबित कर दिया है कि संकल्प के कुछ सूरज चांद पर भी उगते हैं। मिशन चंद्रयान नए भारत की उस स्पिरिट का प्रतीक बन गया है जो हर हाल में जीतना चाहता है और हर हाल में जीतना जानता भी है। ब्रायन डी खारप्रन के बारे में बताते हुए बेहद खुशी हो रही है। ये मेघालय के रहने वाले हैं और उनकी स्पेलियोलॉजी में गजब की दिलचस्पी है। सरल भाषा में कहा जाए तो इसका मतलब है गुफाओं का अध्ययन। वर्षों पहले उनमें यह इंटरेस्ट तब जगा जब उन्होंने कई स्टोरी बुक्स पढ़ी। 1964 में उन्होंने एक स्कूली छात्र के रूप में अपना पहला एक्सप्लोरेशन किया।
Brian D. Kharpran, a resident of Meghalaya with a keen interest in speleology, today featured in the 120th episode of the well-known radio program Mann Ki Baat of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Brian's journey from modest beginnings to significant accomplishments has captured the attention of the country. The Prime Minister spoke eloquently about Brian's efforts in Meghalaya, including how he and his crew found more than 1,700 caves, which consequently added Meghalaya to the World Cave Map. Brian D. Kharpran did his first exploration in 1964 as a high school student. Brian's interest in caves and adventure was ignited after reading The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn by Mark Twain. In 1990, he and his friend together founded the Meghalaya Adventurers Association to discover the hidden caves in Meghalaya. Brian has also penned a number of books. D.D. Meghalaya spoke to the man who is passionate about speleology.
Well, basically, Meghalaya is unique in its caves. No other state in the country comes a close second, and that's because we have ideal conditions for the formation of caves. So, and it was since 1992 that the Meghalaya Adventurers Association started exploring caves. Well, as at the moment, we have already identified over 1,700 caves in Meghalaya, with much more yet to be discovered. Every year we're discovering more and more. Yeah, when we started in the dark. We didn't have equipments and we didn't have the expertise. But anyway, we made a start and did a rough sketch of the cave.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that India is now a trusted and efficient global supply chain partner. Addressing the B20 summit India in New Delhi today, Modi referred to the supply chain issues during the pandemic. He said that when the world needed medicines during the COVID pandemic, India, as the pharmacy of the world, provided life-saving drugs to over 150 countries. He emphasized that India has to largely focus on building mutual trust, which was destroyed during this pandemic. Union Minister of State Dr. Bharti Pravin Pawar for Health and Family Welfare on Friday paid a visit to East Jayanti Hills district for a review meeting on various central project schemes, among others. She was welcomed by Deputy Commissioner East Jayanti Hills District Abhilash Baranwal and District Medical and Health Officer. She held a review meeting with the officers of 20 government departments on the implementation of central schemes. The minister noted that the schemes are performing well in Meghalaya. She stated that several schemes like MGNREGA and others are doing well with a 99% success rate.
So to support the people for the livelihood, through the livelihood missions, different type of SHG group we are providing the budget. So more than 3 crore budget we have already provided for the SHG group also. SHG is one of the good initiative taken by our central government to strengthen the women self-help group. So this is also very good program is going on here.
The BSF Inter-Frontier Games of Judo, Wushu, Gymnastics and Taekwondo concluded with an impressive and colourful ceremony on Friday at Nehu, Shillong. Around 700 sportspersons from 11 frontiers of the Border Security Force participated in the 4-day-long competitions. Sonali Mishra, ADG BSF Eastern Command, Kolkata, graced the occasion as the chief guest in the presence of Pradeep Kumar, IG BSF Meghalaya Frontier, Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla, Vice Chancellor Nehu, among others. During the ceremony, the ADG felicitated the winners in different events of Judo, Wushu, Gymnastics, Taekwondo for their extraordinary achievements and hard work. It was followed by a vibrant cultural program presented by students of BSF School and BSF troops.
आज से 10 साल 2 ओलंपिक्स पहले की अगर लेते the number of medals which we would get in the international forum, we talk of the world championships, the Olympics, the world games, so we have definitely improved, and the government itself is having a lot of policies to promote the players who are excelling and who show some talent.
In badminton, India's ace shuttler H.S. Pranoy was forced to settle for a bronze medal after registering a loss to Kunlavud Vititsaran in the semi-finals of the ongoing Badminton World Federation World Championships yesterday. Pranoy went down to world number 3 and 3-time junior champion Vititsaran by 21-18, 13-21 and 14-21. Pranoy had stormed into the semi-final of the BWF World Championships after defeating world number 2 and defending champion Victor Axelsen at Kuala Lumpur on Friday. And now for a quick look at the weather report. The maximum temperature was 20.1 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 17.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 100%, dropping marginally to 93% in the evening with rainfall of 95.8 millimeters. The forecast tells us moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. And for our viewers who missed out, here is a quick recap of today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses the 104th episode of his Mann Ki Baat program says mission Chandrayaan has become a symbol of the spirit of New India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lauds Meghalaya's Brian D. Kharpran's contributions towards exploration of caves in his Mann Ki Baat program. Union Minister of State Dr. Bharti Pravin Pawar reviews execution of central schemes in East Jainti Hills district, hails the success of several schemes. And in badminton, HS Pranoy wins a bronze medal at the BWF World Championships in Copenhagen. That's all the news we have today. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening.